Hey there, Documenter! Today we're diving into the fun world of checkboxes. This handy little element lets you add a checkable box that can change based on your data. How cool is that? You can keep it simple with a static checkbox or make it dynamic. To edit the label, just double-click on the text inside the checkbox and type whichever label you'd like. If you want a static checkbox, you can easily mark it checked or leave it unchecked, whatever works best for you. For those of you who want your checkbox to change dynamically depending on a value in your base, head over to the Properties panel for the checkbox, toggle the field on, and add the field that Documint should keep an eye on. The default value is true, which is great for Boolean fields, but feel free to set whatever true value you need. It'll be checked when your PDF is generated. You can also get creative in the Properties panel by customizing the label's position, size, and text color, as well as adjusting the checkbox size. Have a blast with Documint, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.